guys, I just wanted to do a video about the power of worm juice, and it really is powerful stuff. Now when I first planted these tomatoes out, they were looking pretty dismal, and I put them in store-bought compost mix, and they were actually really doing really bad. They look like this. And now you can see this is probably one of the worst ones. They're all bouncing back and looking really beautiful. These are a small cherry tomato. They don't grow a lot higher than that, but they're beautiful big cherries, and we really love them. So the only addition that I've put to these was worm juice. So it's really powerful stuff. So I think that it's the addition of the worm juice has killed all of the bad pathogens in there, or whatever was in the soil. I don't know, I'm not a chemist, I'm not a soil analyst, but they've bounced back so wonderfully. These ones are a bit slower, but they're coming back too. Really pleased. So look, if you can get yourself a worm farm going, I would highly recommend it. I have never used one before, but for stuff in pots, etc., fantastic stuff. Now look, same with these capsicums. I've fed them with worm juice as soon as I put them in, and they're going beautifully. No signs of degradation of any kind. Same with these capsicums here in these pots. Compared to the hydroponic ones, they're pretty much on par. Now the bigger plants here, I think they're the chilies. I put one chili and one capsicum in each pot, and being hydroponics, the roots don't grow like really very large, because all the nutrients are there for them, so you can fit quite a bit more in a smaller space. Anyway, the power of worm tea or worm juice. Very pleased with the results.